It's bad enough that they put a stile down the middle, but then somebody decided to get creative and add these shelves, so I really can't fit myself in there. Yeah, that's it. That's the spot. Go see if I have a basin wrench. Well, so I do have a basin wrench. I forgot there's a little like stem that goes in here that I lost years ago, so I just used a screwdriver. But this goes up in there and it can grab the bolt, or the nut rather, and if you hold it the right direction, you can spin it off. Go on a diet. Oh. What are y'all doing watching from out there? Get in here. I'm not gonna be the only one underneath this ridiculous sink. There, how do you like it? Rusty frickin' piece of trash. I think it moved a little. Probably end up breaking the frickin' sink bowl. Oh boy. It's taking the whole thing. What? Oh, did I break the inside of the faucet? Must have. Because the whole thing's moving now. I'm not supposed to do that. It's like, where's the Texas inspector? It's not supposed to do that. Try the other one. Oh yeah, rust in the eye. Oh my gosh. Oh man, look at that. Shit. Freaking washer is so rusted out. Hi. Nuts wouldn't come off, but I lucked out and the washers were totally eroded. So we'll get this cleaned up. You guys know the deal. Pop-up drains only. Why would you ever use anything but a pop-up drain? In my opinion. And Lexel, why would you use plumber's putty? This ain't 1990. I know you don't like it. Don't care. Go ahead and drop that down in there. See a little bit of a squeeze out. That's what we want. And I'll clean that up with the trusty tub of towels. Some guys do a little Lexel around that as well. I'm one of those guys. Oh yes, that's very good. By the way, If I were plumbing in a whole new sink, I would replace this trap. I never use these cheesy plastic ones like this. I always use regular Schedule 40. I don't know why anyone would use these flimsy plastic traps. But I see pro plumbers use them all the time, and I guess they work, but man, they're so cheesy.